How to move during peak season in Adelaide. Moving house is a big job, but moving during peak season? That can be a whole different challenge. If you're planning to relocate in Adelaide during the busiest months, don't worry, we've got expert tips to make your move smooth and stress-free. Let's dive in. Understanding peak season. First things first, when is peak moving season? In Adelaide, it's typically during the summer months, from November to February. Families move before the school year starts, and the holiday season keeps moving companies busier than ever. This means higher prices, fewer available slots, and a lot of competition for moving services. But don't stress, planning ahead can save you time and money. Book early, the golden rule. The number one tip? Book your movers early. The best moving companies get booked months in advance during peak season. If you leave it too late, you may end up paying more or struggling to find a service at all. Try to lock in your moving date at least 6 to 8 weeks ahead to secure a good deal and avoid last-minute stress. Choose the right moving day. Did you know that weekends and the start-end of the month are the busiest times to move? Instead, try scheduling your move for a weekday in the middle of the month. It'll be easier to book movers and avoid traffic delays. This small change can make a huge difference in your moving experience. Pack smart and early. Packing is a big part of moving, and last-minute packing is a recipe for stress. Start at least 3 weeks before your move by packing non-essential items first. Label your boxes clearly. Use color-coded stickers for different rooms to make unpacking easier. Declutter before you pack. Why move things you don't need? Before packing, take time to declutter. Sell, donate, or recycle items you no longer use. Less stuff equals less stress and lower moving costs. It's a win-win. Be ready for moving day. On moving day, have everything packed, labeled, and ready to go before the movers arrive. This will help things run smoothly and on schedule. Also, keep an essentials bag with important things like documents, chargers, and snacks. That way, you're covered while everything else is in transit. Like, share, and subscribe for more moving tips. Moving during peak season doesn't have to be stressful. Plan ahead, book early, pack smart, and choose the right moving day. Follow these tips, and you'll be relaxing in your new home in no time. Did you find these tips helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more moving hacks and home tips. See you in the next video.